I just copped the greatest sneaker of all time. I just bought.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the back.
What up, what up? It's your boy, jsole. You might know me on the gram at my only Instagram account, _JSOLE_. If you're new to the channel, join the Soul family by hitting that like, subscribe, and ringing that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm gonna do two things. Number one, I'm gonna show you my latest OG pickup, which you might say is the greatest sneaker of all time. And two, I'm gonna show you how you can win a valuable free gift card in celebration of this channel reaching 1,000 subs. My personal life has been very busy lately, so I'm a bit tardy doing this, but better late than never. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end for details on that contest. You don't want to miss it. Now, there's a certain myth circulating around the sneaker community saying this particular shoe was banned from the NBA shortly after its debut. We've all heard that MJ was fined $5,000 for every game that he wore this particular shoe. After all, the NBA rule at the time is that every shoe that would appear on court had to be 51% white. I'm not sure how they measured that. It all makes for a great story, but it's cap. But what's real is Nike's ability to tell an enthralling story that captivates the minds and the hearts of sneakerheads. And no sneaker has a greater origin story than the Bread One. The Bread One made its debut in the 1985 Slam Dunk Contest. Unfortunately, Mike did not win that Slam Dunk Contest, but his performance, photos like this one, and of course the myth, made this sneaker legendary. And I mean, look at it. How could it not be? I picked up my pair on a popular resale site. I paid $820, which is a lot of money, but my size is currently going for $955. It's clear to me that the craftsmanship and materials are better on the older pairs than they are on today's pairs. This one is no different, with a very soft, tumbled leather on the toe box. And if you have older pairs of Jordan 1s, you'll notice that the black will start to glitter over time. I'm not sure how to avoid this, but let's just say that glittered look gives it more character. And there it is, the Bread One. Let me know what you think about this sneaker. Where does it rank on your all-time list? Alright, let's get to the second order of business, that gift card. I could not have reached 1,000 subs without you. Thank you. So to celebrate this milestone, I'll be giving one of you a free Nike or Adidas gift card. If you want a different brand other than Nike or Adidas, we can talk about it after you win. What? Speak up. That's a great question. But let's talk about how to enter. To enter, all you have to do is 1. Like this video, and 2. Tell me why you watch sneaker-themed YouTube videos. For example, do you watch sneaker videos for the reviews? Do you want to see the up-close shots of the shoe? Do you want to hear more about reselling, strategies on how to cop for retail, Whatever it is that draws you to YouTube to watch sneaker videos, let me know below in the comments. Thank you. Huh? You on point tonight. That's a great question. The question is when? When will you pick a winner? And how, right? So once this video hits 100 likes, I will do a random drawing. That's everybody who's commented, who's answered that question, will be entered into that drawing. And somebody will randomly be selected. And like normal, I'll make sure to record the drawing and to post it on this channel so there are no questions in terms of who won. I want this to be transparent like everything that I do. Alright, almost ready to shut things down, but before I do, I've got to give my guy Maggie, who's a leading member of Crepes on Crep UK, a shout out. And he's got a special message for you, so take it away, Maggie.
Yo, what's going on, people? My name's Soul to Soul 2020, and I'm a leading member of a UK-based sneaker community and Instagram family called Crepes on Crepes UK. Currently at this time, we are doing live Instagram interviews with sneakerheads from all across the world. So if you'd like to get involved, please hit us in our DMs. Also, go check out the page at Crepes on Crepes UK. Nothing but fire content on there and always willing to help out another sneakerhead. While I'm here, I'd just like to take the time to big up my pal at jsole and his missus at vSole for this opportunity, and just like to say peace, love and unity from the UK. Big up.
Soul to Soul, aka Maggie, is a good dude. You definitely want to follow this man. And I've got one final message. This message is for all you young sneakerheads. It's difficult getting access to these shoes, and they're extremely expensive in most cases. Some of us can't afford it, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. That's okay. You're not any better if you get them. You're not any worse if you don't. You are important by yourself. Unlike these sneakers, you're the only you. These sneakers are mass produced. There are thousands and thousands of them. So if you have one pair, you might have one out of 100,000. When we're talking about you, you're one of one. You're special, you're important, and never let material things define who you are. And on that note, I'm out. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you, and I will see you the next time. Peace and